Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mohammad Suzafazi. Today, I'm going to speak on a very thought-provoking topic, which is about students. That should their parents enforce their children or their motto to study or not? According to me, that they should force their children or motto to study, because, as you know, that this is the era of education. This is the era of let me complete. This is the era of यार, बोलो बोलो
Okay, I got it your point. As you are saying that they should enforce their children to study in this time. Education is very crucial for everyone. I really agree with this thing because education is a very important in the current era, because nothing worse. The education is that weapon which is used to change the world. And I can tell you one thing. I want to tell you one thing, that in this time the parents force their children in the way they force. That should not do. That should not be happen, because they pressurize them that you have to do it and you have to pass exams and you have to win this
But
competition. This is
my
a very wrong.
my dear friend, if they don't force their children, as you know, this is the era of entrance
But
exams.
not that
Let me
way.
complete. This
But
is the
not
era of
that way,
entrance
I'm
exam.
telling this thing.
In the vast population of India, it is obligatory on every single student to study, to run after the studies, to take coachings and crack NEET or JEE type of
Mr. Sadaf, do you know that what is the impact on the children while forcing that when the parents force them? So
My
what
dear friend,
is the
it's not about
pressure?
force. It's not about forcing.
From which
It's not about
situation they are
cruelty, it's
suffering?
about care.
Have you
Let
ever
me-
seen?
let
Have
me
you ever
say,
feel?
It's not about cruelty. It's about care. That the
It's your
parents or the
imagination.
guardian.
The reality is different, my dear.
Okay.
It's your imagination
If
that
you
you're
are
thinking that
enforcing-
politely they just tell them that you have to do this and you can do it. This is your imagination. The reality is
Exactly.
different. The
You are
reality
saying
is it.
we should enforce our children or motto, or their children or their motto, in a polite manner. If
Yeah.
if they are crossing their limitations or going after their own limitations, or their desires, so it makes mistakes, or it makes a burden on their children.
Exactly, I want to say
yes.
that, but the reality is that in this time the parents, what they do with the children, they pressurize them that you have to do it at any cost. I don't want, and at any cost you have to pass exam, and after, if you will not pass the exam, you will not go outside, you will not do this, you will not do this, whatever. This types of to misbehave with the children. This is a very wrong. If they want to make their children successful, so they should play the role of the model in their
Okay.
life, which they can
Okay, they
interact
should-
and
they should-
also they inspire from them.
They should do in a manner. But what about the atmosphere they're getting? Aren't we seeing that students and the children are getting up with mobile, and if they end up ending up their night, and they ending up their day with mobile? They just wake up and start scrolling social media, Instagram, and watching bullshit on Instagram, on single online
That's why
platform.
I said that they should play the role model in their life, which they could inspire from them, that what should we do and how can we get the success, and that what steps should be
Yes,
taken
yes.
by us,
These
and
the
what the
steps
social
are being
media
taken
is a
are very
good at some time, for not the all times.